This is a song that it came out riff-wise. You know, it had this riff and it was going on and on, and then after a while, these images came, and the images usually show up during the song when I play it, and I can usually see everything that's happening, and it's kind of this story about you know, everything falling apart around you, and yet there are places that, you know, there are places of ease that you find, you know, and you know, when all that's going on, you kind of, you know, go over to that ease every now and then, and that's what this is. And this is an image of this. I had this image of this dude, I don't know, mid-30s or something, sitting out on his porch, you know, in the evening, and listening to the radio and drifting away in these songs, you know, and how in that space there's no story of anything being wrong. So this is called Clawhammer Moon. Late at night I can hear her cry, and I know the reasons why. But that damned old hope ain't produced in some time, but it's all the work I can find. Credit is thin at the Mason Lynn. Payments are all coming due, and closing in are the walls of my friend. But there's nothing that I can do. But in the evening time, I can ease my mind next to that old radio, humming those tunes neath the clawhammer moon, drifting through them old pines. It's a feeling that's so divine, time after time. Bankman came today about the loan. He says I was losing my home. So with tears in my eyes, I says to my wife, baby dear, won't you dance me this song? But in the evening time, I can ease my mind next to that old radio, humming those tunes neath the clawhammer moon, drifting through them old pines. It's a feeling that's so divine, time after time.